In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a canonical tag in Yoast SEO. Whether you're trying to improve your site's search engine ranking or simply organizing your content for better user experience, adding a canonical tag can make a significant difference. So, let's walk through this process together. First, you'll need to log into your WordPress admin dashboard. This is your starting point for managing and customizing your site. And from here, you'll have access to all the tools you need to enhance your SEO. Make sure you have your login credentials handy if you're not already logged in, as this is where the journey begins. Once you're in, navigate to the specific post, page, product, or taxonomy term you wish to customize. Canonical tags are crucial when you have similar content that might confuse search engines. By specifying one URL as the preferred or canonical version, you ensure the correct page ranks in search results. Next, scroll to find the Yoast SEO meta box. If you're using the classic editor, you'll see this box located right below your content. For those of you who are using the Gutenberg editor, you'll need to click on the Yoast SEO sidebar, usually accessible from the right-hand side of your screen. This sidebar is a powerful feature of the Yoast plugin, offering an array of options to enhance your SEO right at your fingertips. Now, navigate to the Advanced tab within the Yoast SEO box. This is easily spotted by its gear icon, a subtle nod to its function as the place where you fine-tune your SEO settings. Clicking this tab will reveal additional options, specifically for customizing your canonical URL. In the canonical URL field that appears, you'll want to paste the full canonical URL. Remember, it's important to include the complete URL, starting with https:// and also ensure that the correct domain is present. Relative URLs aren't accepted here, so double-check to make sure everything is accurate and there's no room for errors. This is the URL that you are telling search engines to prioritize, so precision is paramount. Finally, once you've input the canonical URL and you're satisfied with your changes, click Update if you're editing an existing piece of content, or Publish if this is new content. This saves your changes and sets your canonical URL into action. This step ensures that search engines are aligned with your preferred version of the content and that the updates are live on your site. And that's it. You've successfully added a canonical tag using Yoast SEO, a small but mighty step in optimizing your site's structure and search performance. Remember, regularly prioritizing SEO improvements will contribute positively to your site's overall success. Thank you for joining me today, and be sure to subscribe for more tips on optimizing your WordPress site.